Or blueberry? I said I don't know.
Hi.
Okay, I'm gonna cut her. And I'm gonna have this.
You can see.
Look, that's the tiniest. They're so cute.
You can see.
Oh my.
They're spotted.
Oh, there's a
I'll
mom.
loosen you, but I'm not going to unbuckle you, so you can move forward and look.
I like the way sparkling earrings lay against your skin so brown. And I wanna sleep with you in the desert tonight, with a billion stars all around. 'Cause I got a peaceful I know you won't let me down, 'cause I'm already standing on the ground.
Cheese factory. We're going to the cheese factory.
Okay, what did we do this morning?
We're on this little portrait watching the ocean. Yeah. Can I show the camera it?
Show it.
Okay.
Ta-da.
Ta-da! There's fishermen fishing. May I?
Okay, tell it what we did.
Fisher!
Tell it what we did on our first hike. What animal did we see on our hike?
Baby deer and its mama.
And what else?
Yeah, that was on our
2.
drive. But when
And
we
down
hiked
by the
to
water,
beach,
what did we see?
We saw a sea lion really close to us. It was
Yeah, how many feet
directly
would you say
staring at us.
like,
It was sleeping.
Oh,
No, it was
like 40
awake.
feet.
It was awake. It was staring at us. It was so No, it was sleeping. And someone had a dog and we warned them.
We saw some people looking for fossils.
breaking rocks open.
Very cool morning.
It's a video.
Right. Hi, we're going to the cheese factory.
The cheese factory.
The cheese factory. The
Cheese
factory.
Cheese factory.
Cheese a
'Cause I got a peaceful, easy feeling.
Look at this bridge, girls. Oh, that is so pretty.
And I know you won't let me down, 'cause I'm already standing on the ground. And I found out a long time ago what a woman can do to your soul. Oh, but she can't take you anyway. You don't already know how to go. And I got a peaceful, easy feeling.
Sydney, show me how happy you are.